Good day everyone, we're here again at my channel, Jared Dalusong here. And it's been a while since I made a video like this. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, I'm trying to keep up with my contents. Pero as for now, hindi pa ako nakapag-violin content because I was too busy. And at the same time, I had new camera to fix up and to learn stuff. Kailangan pa pag-aralan bago i-execute bago ako mag-music video ulit. Pero sooner or later, I will release a video ng covers. So anyway guys, today we're gonna talk about top 5 songs to consider before playing it in a wedding. So actually, meron kasi mga tao na di sila aware dun sa pyesa na pinapatugtog nila. Pero before ka tumugtog ng ganun, meron kasi dito na hindi naman talaga love song. So akala mo love song, tunog love song, pero hindi naman talaga love song. Pero yun, since maganda lang yung melody, pero wala naman tayo magagawa if requested nyo naman yun. So the first song, siguro ito, very familiar to sa lahat. Lagi itong nare-request din sa iba o tinutugtog ng iba. Ako sa'yo, ikay akin. Yan. Actually, this is not a love song, people. Meron kasi kung may tumutugtog nito sa wedding, napapakinggan ko, tapos ginagawa nilang bossa nova. So ginagamit sa cocktail set, kadalasan cocktail set. But for real, this is not a love song, guys. This is a heartbreak song, or I don't know, yung umaasa, something like that. Basta hindi siya super pleasant para sa akin for to be a love song. Teka, patignan ko nga yung lyrics, na limutan ko dito sa lyrics na puso ay lagi nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Parang hindi siya super appropriate to a wedding na kantahin. I don't know. Para sa akin lang pero yun, if you guys gonna consider this, kaya ko lang siya nasabi kasi medyo noticeable kasi yung lyrics nito na hindi talaga na hindi siya super duper okay for wedding for me I don't know, pero kayo bahala. Ako lang naman, sinasabi ko lang opinion ko about this. So number 2 on my list is Dance with My Father, guys. Yan, baka alam nyo yung Dance with My Father. Nako, Dance with My Father po ay tinutugtog kapag wala na po ang inyong tatay. No, ginagawa yung dances na yan, kadalasan ang nagda-dance yung brother ng bride, or I don't know, kung si tito ng bride, pero it doesn't, pag buhay pa si father at magda-dances sila sa reception, hindi dapat pinapatugtog ko to kung buhay pa si tatay kasi the song tells about yung lumipas na late father, yun ang namahinga na tatay, yun na naghahanap siya ng parang fatherly dance with my father again. Ganun siya ganun yung lyrics niya That is not very typical piece para tugtugin lagi sa wedding, not unless yun na nga pag nag-pass away na si father ng bride or whoever it is. Number 3, actually ito masarap naman talaga siya tugtugin kasi ang sarap niya sa wedding. Number 3 is Versace on the Floor. Napakaganda niyang tugtugin sa wedding, pero if you're gonna check out the lyrics and yung meaning, maganda siguro instrumental, the violin part instrumental, pero if this will be gonna be sung, or if you're gonna check the context of this song, parang romansa talaga siya. More like romansa. So parang I think you should be aware na ganun yung lyrics nito. It's not that I'm discouraging you not to play this on wedding, pero dapat aware kayo doon sa context ng song na to. So anyway, yun lang. So number 4, Moonlight Over Paris. Nako, Moonlight Over Paris, guys. Not about love song. It's not a love song actually. Pero if you're gonna chill sa gig, yun nga lang. I would just want you to be aware of that, na hindi ito love song. Yun lang. Hindi siya love song talaga. Siguro maraming mga tao akala love song to. Dahil parang chill yung kanta, pero it's not a love song, guys. I tell you, if you're gonna check the context, it's not a love song. So number 5, nako, lalo na to. Eto, lagi may nakikijam nito pag may singer na babae tapos may gusto na makijam na guest or whatsoever during dinner time. Napakadalas nitong ma-request. Number 5 is Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang. Oh my god, pambira. Parang lagi nare-request yan out of random na pwede bang kantahin daw i-duet. My goodness, this is not an appropriate for me, and this is not an appropriate song for wedding. Kasi dun pala sa title, bakit ngayon ka lang? And then dagdagan mo yung lyrics, dumating sa buhay ko. Parang nagsisisi siya kasi meron na siyang lover. Parang what? These songs are not sabihin na natin, not 100% love songs that could be played on a wedding. So yun lang guys. Check nyo na yung lyrics kasi ayoko na ilagay dito, nakakapagod. Pero if you guys gonna check out, yun, maintindihan nyo yung sinasabi ko. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. For now, eto lang muna yung content natin. I'm gonna briefly try to edit stuff sa mga susunod pa na video, and gonna use this. Ito, nakita nyo to, yan. A new camera here is Insta360 X3. Very expensive stuff and will be used soon sa mga videos ko. I don't know, pero na-interest ako sa paggamit ng 360 kasi kakaiba rin yung techniques na pwede mo i-apply gamit yung camera 360. And then maybe on motovlogs, I don't know if I will be able to do vlogs or on my road trip, I don't know. Pero for now, eto, dito muna tayo sa studio ko and gonna share you a lot of stuff and knowledge about wedding stuff and music as well. Sige, thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli. See you again.